FreshBooks Financial Tool Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to FreshBooks are in the description, so check them out if you're interested. Now let's get straight into the review. FreshBooks is a cloud-based accounting and invoicing tool designed for freelancers, self-employed professionals, and small businesses. It offers a full suite of financial features, including invoicing, expense tracking, time tracking, project management, and tax preparation. One of FreshBooks' standout features is its professional invoicing system, which allows users to create, customize, and send invoices effortlessly. It also supports automatic payment reminders, late fees, and recurring invoices, making it perfect for businesses with regular clients. FreshBooks integrates with major payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, enabling seamless online payments. Additionally, it offers double-entry accounting, allowing users to generate profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and tax reports for accurate financial tracking. FreshBooks is best suited for small business owners, freelancers, and service-based professionals who need an easy-to-use yet powerful accounting solution. It simplifies bookkeeping with automated expense tracking, bank reconciliation, and receipt scanning. The built-in time tracking feature is particularly useful for freelancers who bill by the hour, as it allows them to log hours directly into invoices. The mobile app ensures that users can manage their finances on the go, making it a convenient option for busy professionals. Now let's discuss the strengths. FreshBooks offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface, making accounting accessible even for those with no financial background. The automated invoicing and payment tracking features save time and reduce manual work. Its integration with over 100 third-party apps, including Shopify, G Suite, and Trello, makes it highly versatile. The detailed financial reports provide valuable insights for business growth, and customer support is highly rated, offering real-time chat and phone support. However, there are some downsides. FreshBooks pricing can be high for businesses with multiple users, as additional team members come at an extra cost. It lacks some advanced inventory management features, making it less suitable for product-based businesses. Additionally, while it offers strong accounting tools, it's not as robust as full-fledged accounting software like QuickBooks for larger businesses. Final verdict: if you're a freelancer or small business owner looking for an easy-to-use accounting and invoicing solution, FreshBooks is an excellent choice. However, if you need advanced inventory tracking or multi-user support at a lower cost, you might need to explore other options. Check the links in the description for more details.